Hey guys and girls, welcome from explorer.com. In this video, I'll be discussing about how to create web pages, dynamic web pages by using the Rails controller. Okay, in my previous video, you might have seen that I have generated the static page by in the public directory, right? So, but in this, we don't take that much of risk. Automatically, your web pages will be on file in your right. So let's see how to do that. So suppose you think that your website has a career page or team page like that. You take team page or any other page, contact page like that. So whenever a user requests that URL, that is your site slash career page or team page or contact us page, something like that, the controller takes care of the request, and the request is surpassed to the function inside the controller. Okay, every controller has the many functions inside it, so it will be routed to that function inside the controller. Okay, and that will process your request, that is web page request. That is what the controller does. And in order to the syntax of the in order to create dynamic web pages, the syntax is Rails generate controller. Controller name, action 1, action 2, action up to action n. Nothing but what this means is when you type the command in the command prompt, when you click Rails generate controller, here let the controller be web pages, controller name be web pages. Okay, I want the web pages called as what actions you want, that is action in the sense what do you want, that is I want the career page and I want team page. Type there up to n, whatever n pages, you can click any number of pages. So whenever you hit this command in the command prompt, automatically you'll be able to see that your what are the actions you have put, that is career page, team page and all, you'll be able to see automatically in your app folder. That is what this does. You don't have to creating HTML files, saving it as HTML and again doing all this stuff. You can just control with a single command you'll be executing all this, you'll be generating all this file. So okay, we'll come to this when let's go to the practical session. Fine, go to your command prompt. Okay, so this is my command prompt, and I'll go to my app directory, that is change directory c hello. Okay, so I got it. And first make your server Rails, hit the command called Rails generate controller. What is the controller name? Controller name is web. Okay, I'll go with web page. Okay, web page career. Suppose I don't want career, I want contact. Okay, and next page, suppose you want to develop another page, you want to create another page, let us take it as support. Okay, and if you want another record as another what is that, okay, let it be mail. Contact as company page. Okay, company, your company page. So what did I do? I typed the command called Rails generate controller web page contact support company. So I'm creating 3 web pages here, that is contact support company. I'll just hit this button. See the beauty of this language, how it creates your files on fly. Okay, see here you can see here a controller file has been created, that is web page controller. Okay, and next it has created routes for you, that is for your 3, what is the route for your 3 pages, that is the page slash company, the page slash support contact. Okay, next it has created views for the web pages. Okay, contact support company or HTML files and all. Still they have created test units and all here, helper files, assets and all. Okay, now let's go to your folder now, your app folder here. and messages. Okay, let's go to your app folder. See, here I have a hello program here, and next go to your app and go to your views, web pages. No, I created a controller called web page, right? So this is my controller name here, web page. Pages is also one controller name. Web pages also controller names. I've created that before. Okay, web page. So in my web page, see the beauty how you didn't create it here, right? But it is created on fly, and you just type edit this one to whatever you like. Okay, I'll just remove this and I'll type the HTML command. Body slash body, and make my center. Here we will write as a company page, my company page. Okay, done. You just paste this same thing and copy, and you just place here in other files. Okay, let it be contact, and you remove this as and place it as whatever you write. You can contact page. Okay, fine, like that. You do the same with support.html. Okay, now let's run the server here. Rails, I'm just starting my server. In order to, if you want to shut down the server, you can just press Control C. Okay, and I think my server is ready to fire. Localhost 2000. Yeah, sure, good. And web page, right? Web page slash what is the company, right? See, so you have gotten a runtime error here. Web page hash company execute JS. So this types of error will come in Windows 7, when Windows 7 or Windows 8. I'm using Windows 8, so like this. In order to remove this error, you have to make a small change here. Okay, I'll tell you that. Minimize this, go to your app folder here, and go to your assets, JavaScript, your application, edit. Here you remove this required tree. Okay, you just remove this required tree and your problem will be solved. You just save that and just close, and now you fire the same over there. See, right? So that is how you will be resolving that issue. Company page. Suppose if you want my support page, support, still what I have did, contact page, right? Contact, right? And in the same way support, like that. Web page support. Okay, like this you can create any kinds of web pages, right? See, I didn't create anything, but I didn't create this support or web page or but it is created dynamically by this Rails generate command. Okay, nice, right? So what did finally what did the Rails generate controller did? Let us see. It did three things. First of all, first it created roots for your URL. Okay, and next it created controller files with methods. With it's not two methods, it's all with methods. Okay, it generated view files for you. Okay, first created roots for the URL. Let us see that. So when you go to config, and here if you see that roots here, see here there are many roots here. My root, first root is get web page contact, get web page support, get web page company, right? So it has created the root, that first thing it has done, And second thing is control file with methods. Okay, controller file with methods. Where is that controller file? If you go to app folder, and in that app folder, if you go with controllers, web page controller, you just go and edit that. See, that's this is what I was telling about. So first, whenever you type the URL in your suppose whenever you a user request an URL, it is routed to the function inside the controller. So here this is the controller, web page controller, and this is the function here, define and define and define. So this is the function here, web page. See here, class, this is a class, right? So this is the function, class web page controller, def contact and def support company. And so this is how the controller is going to create function rooted to function inside controller. And next thing is lastly, it generated view files. I have shown you that it has generated the view files here. If you go here to your folder, back in the app, views, web page, see here, this is called as views in your HTML. You can just edit whatever you like here. So that's it, guys. That is all about how to create the dynamic web pages on the fly with the function with the Rails controller. Okay, thank you guys. Stay tuned with explorall.com and keep supporting us always. Facebook.com/explorall, Twitter/explorall, and you can contact me at explorall.rajesh, that is Twitter/explorall.rajesh, Facebook.com/explorall.rajesh, like that. Twitter explorall.rajesh. Okay, sorry. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.